Namaste to all of you. My name is Harshvardhan Chauhan, and I'm truly excited to be a part of the prestigious Oxford Advanced Management and Leadership Program Class of 2021. I am a new age, impactful consumer leader, having demonstrated expertise in disrupting and scaling multiple billion-dollar consumer businesses across consulting, e-commerce, retail, and FMCG industries, leveraging deep consumer problem solving and cutting-edge technology. I believe in a truly participative, growth-focused, humane, and inspirational leadership that nurtures innovation, leadership that involves and promotes constructive change management, leveraging my own personal core values of hard work, utmost belief in ethical practices and utmost integrity, self-belief, and continuous learning and unlearning. My vision is to leverage technology and deep consumer business expertise that I bring on table to create wealth for 500 million Indians and 1 billion global citizens, eradicating income inequality across the globe through a very profitable and sustainable business model. At Oxford AMLP, I am truly excited to undergo a transformational leadership experience, leveraging focused mentorship from the astute faculty at Oxford Said Business School and cutting-edge course framework as part of the Oxford Advanced Management and Leadership Program, and I am truly looking forward to develop new leadership actionable initiatives and a playbook to deliver more impactful and sustainable organizational performance while ensuring that I deliver deeper societal impact and a much larger contribution towards the holistic development of the mankind, planet, and the society. Thank you very much for making me a part of the OMLP 2021. I look forward to learning from all of you. Thank you. Namaste.